Okay, here we go with part 2 of evaluating expressions with exponents. Okay, exciting stuff here. So in the past we learned about what happens when you have something like x to the second times x to the third. We add the exponents and we get x to the fifth power. Okay, well, we're going to do something similar to that now. So this is saying y to the fourth, all of that raised to the third power. So this is like saying y to the fourth times y to the fourth times y to the fourth. So just like with the exponents before, we add the exponents. So we have y to the power of 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals y to the 12. Let's make it look like a 1 instead of a 4. Y to the 12. Okay? And the easier way to remember this is whenever you have a power raised to another power, it is going to be simply the power, y to the powers multiplied together. So y to the power of 4 times 3 is again y to the 12. Let's look at this one. X squared times y raised to the power of 4. Okay, this is a good opportunity to talk about distribution. This is the same thing as saying x squared to the fourth times y to the fourth. Okay? As in the previous problem, whenever we have a power raised to another power, it is going to be multiplied. So x to the power of 2 times 4 times y to the fourth. Okay? Y to the fourth, y is just by itself, so we just raise it to the fourth power. X to the 2 times 4 is the exact same thing as x to the power of 8 times y to the fourth, and I just lose my parentheses. And that would be your answer there. So what's happening is the 4 is being distributed to the exponents. This y has an invisible exponent of 1, saying like y to the first power. Okay, that's why I could say y by itself to the fourth power was just y to the fourth, because 1 times 4 equals 4. And that is part 2 of evaluating exponential expressions.